Hello. In this video, you will learn what operating systems and browsers Proficonf supports. To work with Proficonf on a computer or laptop, you can use the following operating systems: Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, Mac OS X 10.5 and later, Linux, Ubuntu, Mint, Fedora, others. Supported desktop browsers: Google Chrome, Opera, New Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Yandex browser, Safari. Supported mobile browsers, Android only: Google Chrome, Opera Mobile, Mozilla Firefox, Yandex browser. Proficonf supports the Safari browser for Apple devices with iOS. Notice, we recommend using the latest versions of browsers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.